Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom for the second time. The first time was an epic fail. I will have that video linked in the description box if you want to check it out. But I am back to clean it up because I don't have all of the storage organizers and the kids' toys in here because I put everything in their playroom. So I'm going to get this room together. Let me show you guys the room now. So I have some new buys. Let me just pull it out so you guys can see. So I shared all of my home decor wish list items in the previous video, and getting something to do my makeup up here was one of the items that I really wanted to get my hands on. And I came across this table here. I found this at Tuesday morning. And I really love it. It's definitely going to look great in the room because you guys know I love decorating with mirrors. So I plan to put it on this wall, and I'm going to take these chairs out. I think it's going to look so good, but I need to just get it over there. But I love that it has, you know, these drawers so I can store my makeup. I don't have much makeup, so this is going to be enough. So yep, I found this beauty. I have this comforter set here that I found at, I believe, what's this, Burlington. Yeah, I found this at Burlington, and look at it. It's so pretty. I love this marbled look. Really nice. I cannot wait to take it out and put it on the bed. Very glam right here. Definitely my style. These are new. I got this from SheIn. They sent this to me to share with you guys, and I really love this sweater. I love the ruffles and the pearls and this coat as well. So nice. And this is from SheIn as well. And then the two items that I received from Romwe. And I really love how wide the bottoms are. It's different, but I think it's really cute. And then I have this jacket here from Romwe. The tag says SheIn, which is kind of strange because it came from Romwe. But anyways, I thought it was nice on the site, so I decided to go ahead and get it. So yeah, I just need to put these items away. So I don't really have much to clean now that I don't have all of the kids' stuff in here. You need to put those clothes away over there. And just wipe everything down, and I'll be good to go. Now, before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome. I do want to give a big thanks to Romwe and SheIn for sending me out these pieces to share with you guys, these clothing pieces. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy watching.
I've been searching all day long, try to be the perfect one. You're holding me without no touch. You don't need chains to hold me back. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on, they give me nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls. You break them down, break them down. Oh, every time I go, you go, be free. If you find someone, leave me be. I loved you without no doubts, but I need love to stay alive. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on, they give me nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls. You break them.
Okay, I feel like these legs were put on backwards because the mirrors are on the back side of the front leg, so it just looks weird. I feel like I should be seeing the mirrors on the front of this. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about, because I purchased it from the store just like this. So I didn't set it up or anything. It was already assembled. And I just feel like this is off. You guys see that? There are no mirrors on the front legs, but the mirror is on the inside and on the back. Like, no one can see those. So I feel like that's not right. So I'm going to actually take this thing apart and fix it, because I just know that's not right. It just doesn't look right. It's weird. So I'm going to take it apart. Okay, so look at this, guys. It was on like this. It should be like this. So this is actually the front, and they had it on backwards. So this piece actually goes on this side, because if you put it on this side, then it'll be like this. So you would be able to see the mirrors in the front, and then the back would be just, you know, nothing. So it definitely goes on like this. Now it looks really nice. Oh my goodness, that looks so much better. I just need to tear off the price tag.
It kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Alright guys, so the room is done. It looks so much better, nice and clean and relaxing. This is the bedding. Really nice. And I will be putting a tall house plant here, but I need to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy one. This is the vanity area. And I just love this wall now with the mirrored vanity and the mirrors. It looks so nice. Yes, I love decorating with mirrors. Then I have my clothing rack here. This is where I like to keep all of my new items that I plan to review or just like any planned outfits, keep it there. So that's going to be it for this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.